Got some more questions. Does the CSIRO consider arson to be a type of lightning? It seems a ludicrous question, but I'm interested to understand
we
it.
called that out separately in the document as a cause.
So when Minister Dutton was speaking to journalist Patricia Karvelis on the 5th of February this year and said, did the bushfires start in some of these regions because of climate change? No, it started because somebody lit a match. Were arsonists the predominant cause of the devastating bushfires?
As it states in all versions of the document, I believe, Senator, that dry lightning is the predominant cause.
Right.
Man-made fires do happen more often by accident than by deliberate, but they do occasionally happen deliberately.
That's not answering the question, Mr. Marshall. You were asked whether arson was responsible.
Sorry, I spent 8 years getting a PhD in physics. I'm really precious about it.
Dr. Marshall
kind of important.
directly answered the question.
I don't understand your point, Mr. Walsh.
Dr. Marshall answered the question.
No, I don't think you did answer the question.
Well, could Senator McAllister has the call?
If I may.
You can come to this later.
So the government, the member for Hughes, Mr Kelly, has publicly said that unprecedented arson caused the bushfires. Senator Abetz has said the same thing. Mr Christensen has also said that the cause of bushfires was man-made arson, that to him almost borders on terrorism. Can I ask why the final dot point in the draft document, which said lightning has been the predominant cause of ignition for the 2019 bushfires, was removed? It's the final dot point on page 1 at the bottom of that text box. Why does that idea not appear in the final document?
Senator,
So-
I believe that point is covered elsewhere in the text.
First
so
page,
it was to
second
remove
paragraph, Senator.
repetition.
Sorry, what was that reference?
First page, second paragraph. Most commonly due to a lightning strike and sometimes human influences, mainly accidental, such as use of machinery which produces a spark. I think it's all there, Senator.
Except the idea that it was a predominant cause of ignition for the 2019 bushfires is a distinct and different point to the text which actually appears in the final document.
Sorry, Senator, it's not a legal document, it's a public
No, it's not.
explainer.
It's actually looks like a political document to me, Mr Marshall, and that is my
a bit far here,
concern.
Senator. But it says here, most commonly due to a lightning strike and sometimes human influences. Most commonly is the most common cause. I don't understand your point, Senator.
It is that there was a very strong statement about lightning being the predominant cause, and that has been removed. Can I ask, who asked for that to be removed? Which of the stakeholders, Dr Mayfield, asked for that point to go?
I can't answer that at this point in time, Senator. It's part of the review process. It's as per my previous answer. I think we need to go look at that on notice.
Okay, in the headline paragraph of the draft document, this sentence is in the original. Tragically, lives have been lost, properties destroyed, millions of native animals killed, and smoke has covered towns and cities for many days. That doesn't appear in the final document. Who asked for that to be removed?
Senator, if I can refer to my previous answers, it would be the same. Take that on notice.
Can you recall why it was
detailed
removed?
review process. I don't
Can you
have all the
recall why it was
specifics there.
removed? What the rationale was? Why that material wasn't of interest to the public?
Again, I take that on notice in the same exercise we were talking about before.
Okay. Well, I'd observe we've had about 4 or 5 key questions taken on notice. It's fairly consistent with the government's pattern across estimates hearings right along this week. I will look forward to the answers when they come back, and I'm hopeful that they'll actually be accurate and comprehensive. Thank you, Chair.